go get a grill today, y'all. It's so random, but I seen this girl on TikTok. Go get a grill, so I ain't got nothing else to do today. And you know what? I got 2 vacations coming up, and my chain will be here on Monday. So I need a grill too. I got my watch. I got my chain. Now I need a grill. And I need to get my rings up. And my jewelry will be type complete. Fake weight. So that's the vibe, y'all. We're gonna go to 285 Flea Mart, Leo's Jewelry. Cause that's where they went on TikTok. It said they do same day grills. I just want 4 at the bottom with a heart. With like 4 hearts. That's all I want. And maybe a bar. I don't know. I'm gonna see what they want, what they got when I get there. So that's the vibes, y'all. I'm so happy I came home to get my camera. Because now I can put this in my vlog. And once again, I love my lashes. My lash tech did bomb. She did perfect. Every time I go to the lash tech, they be like making it too volume. She didn't do that. So y'all, come with me for this grill. It's 3:52, so I'm gonna hit traffic. It's gonna take me like an hour to get me somewhere that's 30 minutes for real. So let's go.
Yeah, March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is here just like a spring start to spiral. May bring some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you're moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby that. Like, yeah, you're too tired. September, we falling off.
I'm here, we made it. Yeah, this is Leo's grill. And where the grills at? They got everything, you guys. Wait, I'm finna show y'all. You feel me? Some people don't have their dad, so I'm gonna ask
them. I know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Some people don't forget it. Yeah, name and phone number, please.
Okay, so that's my design, y'all. Her camera. Lee.
Stone Mountain Grill.
Stone Mountain Grill.
I've been here 32 years.
32 years? That's a
So
long time.
I'm the best.
Okay.
You
Here.
come down, you hear?
Yep. Come right here. Kaylin.
That's not from here. Your tattoos and the way you know, not
How you know that?
from here. I know what somebody looks like. That's not from here. That's like Cali. I say Cali.
You was listening when she was talking to me. You must know that. Yeah. How I just look like I'm from Cali?
Not the judge.
Definitely. Bottom. Hey vlog, you guys, I'm about to get, let me turn this music off first of all. I'm at Dunkin' Donuts, literally getting coffee right now. And then, let me do my order real quick. Hi, can I get a large iced, large iced signature latte, caramel with extra caramel?
Large iced caramel latte?
Iced signature caramel latte with extra caramel? And then a sausage, egg, and cheese croissant.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Lemon 9.
Thank you. I keep telling y'all, every time I go to Dunkin', it'd be different prices at different ones. Like I paid $11.70 yesterday. I paid $10.99. You guys, I look good today. I did my makeup, and I'm finna go pick my grill up and get my nails done, and maybe do something fun with my little boo. And that's the vibes for today. Ooh, I hate when I get a text to somebody because I miss them. And he's such a little lover boy. He be missing me too. I love that for us. Yeah, y'all. So that's the vibes today. It's Sunday. We're going to end this vlog off and start next week's vlog. I'm excited about getting my grill. So, yeah, y'all. Guys, I'm tired. Ooh, I love my coffee so much. Thank you. And that's another thing. Atlanta never has no customer service. What happened to hi, how are you? I keep telling you, I'm leaving here. I'm not coming back. Ever. Ever in my life. I would never buy a house here. Like, ever.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, now I need to throw my old Dunkin' Donuts up out of my car. So I'm just looking for a garbage can to throw this trash away, mate. Throw the trash away. You've got to throw it away. I'm gonna just let this little car do its thing so I can pull up and throw this away very quickly. And now I'm gonna go to the flea market. I hope I like it, you guys. Like, the main thing I'm concerned about is, like, I just spent $400 on something that I don't even like, you know? That's my biggest concern. But yeah, y'all. Okay. You're good to go. Get back up in this tent. Can't let y'all see me. And I'm gonna check in with you guys once I get to the place. I'm gonna eat my food, drink my coffee, and then I'm gonna let y'all know when I get back to the thingamajigger, bob. I'm just kidding. Nah. Let's see how this coffee tastes. This is the Dunkin' Donuts on Lindbergh in Atlanta. I think it's close to Buckhead. I'm not sure. Let me see what this like. I know I've been to this one before because I recognize they drive through. It's hitting today. You gotta ask for that extra caramel mando. Okay, vlog, y'all. We at the flea market. We're finna go in here and see if what we came to pick up is ready. So come along. Okay, vlog. So I'm here to pick up my grill. It was supposed to be the same day, but it wasn't ready. So we're about to get it now. It's been $400 though. Let's see how this is about to fit. Okay, y'all. So I got one bottle. It's so cute, and I can talk with it, which is cool. So
mountain grill.
I know I tagged you.
I know. That's why I said San
Yeah.
Francisco.
But yeah, it's done. So this way I gotta come. I'm about to walk around here. Thank you, Lee. I'll see you next time. Bye. But yeah, y'all, I got my girl. I'm so happy. That's cute as fuck. And I don't need to spend no money or buy nothing else from here. So I'm done for today. I gotta go spend some money somewhere else, y'all. And leave it at that. But I'm done spending money on jewelry. I done spent over fucking about $6,000 on jewelry in the past month, y'all. So yeah, 285 flea more, y'all. Come up here and get you some jewelry. That's fire. I don't get used to it. Hop on doing it, girl. Hey, I gotta turn it down before they try to copyright my content. Okay, y'all. I'm at the nail salon. I'm about to go in here and get my nails done. They don't even look bad. I just like to do it every 2 weeks once I see they grown out. And this place by my new house, they did a good job. So yeah, y'all, come with me to go get my nails refilled. And then it's the last day of the fair, so I want to see if I can go get me a funnel cake, because I done asked multiple people if they wanted to go, and everybody just keep acting so weird. So fuck it, what do we do when people act weird? Go by ourselves, right? I know that's right, y'all. There's so many little places in the plaza by my house that I gotta try eventually, and I will. But yeah, y'all, that's all I'm doing.
I'm a soldier, no one could understand. I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed and heartbroken. He tuck and get cold in the right. Tears fall while he loading the strap. Seen it all, he just wanna relax. I'm richer than I ever been. Put my heart before the bag, worst shit I ever did.
You guys, my nails are fresh and my toes. Let me see if I can show you my toes. Ooh. My camera don't want to go down. It's so weird. Like, it doesn't want to like go down, but let me see if I can make it. Ah, there, y'all see my toes. That was so hard to do. That's the only thing I don't like about this camera. It's hard to do that. But I'm happy. Did I even forget where I parked? Almost did. So yeah, y'all, I think now I'm gonna get some food. Like I said, I really want to go to the fair. I love being fresh. Nails done, lashes done, hair good, body looking good, everything right, everything tight. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I need to figure out what I'm up to do now. Okay, vlog. So yeah, this finna be the opening of my chain, y'all. Alright, so I had to set my camera right quick. But yeah, I spent $5,000 on this damn chain. So I wanted to do an unboxing because this ain't something you just buy like all the time. So I want to remember I probably had this forever. Y'all know I got my grill yesterday, and that's the footage y'all seen in the vlog. But I wanted to throw this in here because I didn't get to pick this up yesterday. Y'all see, this says Saturday. I was supposed to get it before I even got my grill, and I wanted to have them and show y'all them at the same time. But I didn't get the opportunity, you feel me, to do that. So we're gonna do my $5,000 chain unboxing from Show Off the Jeweler here. And y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all don't understand. Like, I ordered this chain in January, literally January. So I had to wait for him to do it. It took him a couple months to do it, and KK got her chain now. So you know, that's a real big thing, a real big. Let me just open it because this noise is irritating me. Ooh. Okay, we got us a little gift box with a bow. That's flyer. That's cute. Let me get this stuff up out my lap. I had to show my passport to come pick that up. You feel me? You gotta show your ID. So let me just see if I can go ahead and. Oh, you don't even gotta untie the bow. And it's a nice little box. Oh, it's another box inside of a box. Okay, I like that. I like that. So yeah. Let me see what we looking at. 3, 2. Ooh, they're so fire. Y'all, look at that. I love it. I love it so much. It's perfect. Oh, I'm so happy I finally got my shit. Y'all, that's VVS is busting. Ah! My chain's so fucking fire, bro. That shit looks good. No cap. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It looks fine. It looks fire as fuck. Like, hell yeah. Yeah. I'm finna hit in the club with my watch and my chain, my grill. You bitches ain't stepping on nothing. Let's go.